Okay, page number 287, 10th problem. Integration 0 to pi x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. It is the most important for 7 marks. Now given, let it is I is equal to integration 0 to pi x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. It is the 1. Now we know that one formula. We know that integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now look there here, x substitute right there, a minus x dx. Now same as here, right here, integration I is equal to integration 0 to pi x substitute there, pi minus x. Here also sin cube pi minus x, by denominator also 1 plus cos square of pi minus x dx. Now I is equal to integration 0 to pi minus x sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x answer is the sin x. Pi minus x, it is the second quadrant. Second quadrant is a sign as a positive. That means sin cube x, by denominator is the 1 plus cos pi minus x. Cos pi minus x is the minus cos x. It is the second quadrant. That means it is a square, and that means plus cos square x. Cos square x dx. Now write it is I is equal to integration 0 to pi, multiply here pi into sin cube x and minus x into sin cube x, by denominator is the 1 plus cos square x dx. Now write it here, separate here or split here, integration pi sin cube x, by denominator is the 1 plus cos square x dx, minus here bracket close, integration here x sin cube x, by denominator is the 1 plus cos square x dx. We know that it is answer x sin cube x 1 plus cos square x dx answer. We know that I. Now right there it is the I come to here left side. That means I plus I answer is the 2I is equal to integration 0 to pi. Pi is the constant right there in front of integration. That means sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now write it is 2I is equal to pi into integration 0 to pi. Now sin cube x answer write down sin square x into sin x, by denominator is the 1 plus cos square x dx. Next one, here write it is 2I is equal to integration 0 to pi, here pi sin square x write down, it is the 1 minus cos square x, by it is answer 1 plus cos square x into sin x dx, integration sin x dx. Now let here or put or let cos x is equal to t. Now derivative with respect to the x. Cos x derivative we know that minus sin x, and minus sin x, x derivative is the dx, t derivative is the dt. That means sin x dx answer is the minus of dt. And sin x dx answer is the minus dt. Now lower limit, upper limit. Now x is equal to 0 is the lower limit. LL right there here. Now cos 0 is equal to t. That means cos 0 answer is, we know that 1 is equal to t. Upper limit is the x is equal to pi. X is equal to pi. That means cos pi is equal to t. Cos pi answer we know that the minus 1 is equal to t. Now here lower limit t is equal to plus 1, upper limit t is equal to minus 1. Substitute here lower limit and upper limit, cos x answer and sin x dx answer. Now 2I is equal to pi integration, lower limit is 0. 0 answer we know that is the, and it is the lower limit 0. Here lower limit 1. Now pi is the upper limit. Upper limit answer is the minus 1. Minus 1. 1 minus, we know that cos x answer is the t. and that means t square by 1 plus t square. Next sin x dx answer. Sin x dx answer we know that minus dt. Now write it is 2i is equal to, it is the plus, it is the minus, and minus pi minus integration 1 to minus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dt. Now we know that another formula here. It is a formula, another formula. It is minus a2 plus a f of x is equal to dx. Now we know that f of x is the even function, then it is answer is the 2 into integration 0 to a f of x dx. Next, and look there, here also some, it is the plus a, it is the minus a. They are minus a to plus a as you wish, 1 to minus 1. Now write it is, first it is the right, it is the minus, and another formula we know that integration a to minus a f of x dx is equal to, here minus రాసినట్టు upper limit lower limit upper limit గా మారుతుంది, అంటే minus a plus a f of x అవుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు మైనస్ రాసినట్లయితే పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఆటోమేటిక్గా పై మైనస్ 1 2 ప్లస్ 1 1 మైనస్ టీ స్క్వేర్ బై 1 ప్లస్ టీ స్క్వేర్ డిటి. తర్వాత ఈ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తే 2i is equal to 2 pi integration 0 to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dt. 2 to cancel. Now is equal to here I is equal to pi 0 to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square dt. Now write it is answer is the 2i is equal to pi integration 0 to 1 next 1 by 1 plus t square minus t square by 1 plus t square dt. Split there. Now next I is equal to pi integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus t square dt minus integration 0 to 1 t square by 1 plus t square dt. Next one, take this, I is equal to pi integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus t square minus integration 0 to 1 t square, numerator is the t square, plus 1 and minus 1 add there, it numerator, and t plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Now I is equal to, now it is the pi, pi into pi, that means pi, here also pi. Now pi integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Now here split there, at pi integration 0 to 1 t square plus 1 by 1 plus t square, answer is the 1, and 1 into dt. Now minus it minus plus pi into integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Now it is the, look there, 1 by 1 plus t square, 1 by 1 plus t square, it is answer I is equal to 2 pi, it is the 1, it is the 1, 2 pi integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus t square dt minus pi integration 0 to 1 dt. Now apply the answers. 2i, here we know that 1 by x square plus a square, it is answer is the 1 by a tan inverse x by a x substitute is the 1, that means tan inverse of x answer is the t, limits are 0 to 1. Here minus pi into, we know that integration dt answer is the t, limits are 0 to 1. I is equal to 2i into, apply the limits, and tan inverse of 1 answer is the tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse of tan 0, answer is the 0, minus it is the pi into, it is the limit t minus 1. Now I is equal to 2 pi into cancel, now it is the 1 minus 0 here, take substitute the 1 minus 0, now pi by 4, here tan inverse and minus 0 into here minus pi into 1. Now it is the I is equal to 2 pi into pi by 4 minus 1. Now 2 1 ja 2 times, and I is equal to pi into pi square by 2 minus pi. It is the answer.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share.